Meaning of infiltration.
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 Infiltration. The term infiltration refers to the act of gradually and surreptitiously entering into a group, organization, or area with the intention of gathering information, conducting espionage, or carrying out other covert activities. Infiltration often involves disguising oneself as a member of the target group or organization to gain access to sensitive information or locations. The result of infiltration can range from the successful acquisition of valuable information to exposure and arrest of the infiltrator and compromise of the mission. Ultimately, infiltration is a high-risk strategy that requires careful planning and execution to achieve desired outcomes.